Why do 50 stars and 13 stripes make up the American flag? Let's find out. The American flag we know today wasn't always this way. It all started back in 1777, when the Continental Congress decided the flag should have 13 stripes and 13 stars. The stripes symbolized the original 13 colonies, and the stars represented a new constellation. Betsy Ross, a Philadelphia seamstress, is often credited with sewing the first flag. But did you know there's some debate about that? Even so, her story has become a cherished part of American folklore. The flag has changed 27 times since then, with stars added each time a new state joined the Union. Now, we have 50 stars, one for each state, but those 13 stripes? They still remind us of where it all began. Cool, right? Next time you see Old Glory waving, you'll know a bit more about its storied past. Thanks for watching.